Hello guys, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, we will talk about client onboarding workflow for brand designers. And at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to handle inbound leads, qualify brand identity leads, set a discovery section for your client, discuss price and payment process, and scheduling project milestone meetings. But before then, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Having a clear, precise onboarding process is very important, especially for brand identity design. This is because brand identity design is complex and requires a well-structured process and roadmap to deliver a top-notch service. Your marketing skills and mode of communication will determine where your potential client will be coming from. Most people get their leads from social media, website, referrals, freelancing platforms, and past clients. The process remains the same regardless of where your leads are coming from. So how do you handle inbound leads? When a potential client reaches out to you, respond promptly and professionally. You need to remember this is part of your touch point, and how you respond will determine how your potential client will perceive you, which can influence how they will treat you throughout the project. A quick, well-crafted response can make a great first impression. Acknowledge their inquiry, briefly introduce your services, and invite them for the next step. Quick tips you can use is to respond within 24 hours, show genuine interest, and outline the next steps. The next thing you should do is qualify your leads. Not all leads or potential customers are for you, and this has to be reflected when marketing your skills too. Have a standard of who and which project you want to work on. This will make you unique in the market. A short qualifying can help determine if the client aligns with your expertise and budget range. Ask about their business, the project goals, and the timeline to assess whether they are a good match for you. Quick tips you can use is, ask them what the scope of their project is, what is their budget for the project, and what is the ideal timeline for the project. You need to be transparent if the project is not fit for you. If possible, refer them to someone who can help. This builds goodwill and keeps your pipeline full of quality leads. The next thing is discovery section or discovery process. Once you have qualified the lead, schedule a discovery section. This is where you dive deeper into the brand and audience and the goal of the brand. Think of it as the project foundation, because it sets the stage for creative work to come. The tips you can use is, ask for clients' business goals, know their target audience and competitors, know the current branding challenge of the brand. Then you can ask for the vision for the new identity they want to create. The next stage to discuss is the payment process. Discuss pricing and payment process. You need to share a clear breakdown of your service, deliverables, and payment terms. Be upfront about cost and explain your value. You must be confident. Don't promise what you can't deliver and undercharge your value. The tips you can use is share a detailed proposal, offer flexible payment plans, and use contracts to secure the terms. Ensure both you and the client are aligned on the budget and the payment schedule before moving forward. A signed contract protects both of you. The next step is to schedule project milestone meetings. Schedule project milestone meetings to keep things organized. This could include project kickoff, mid-project reviews, and final presentation. You need to use this meeting to update your client and to gather feedback for the next project. Remember to keep your client updated throughout the project. Lastly, you need to set communication guidelines. To avoid miscommunication, let your client know how you will get in touch with them. Specify your preferred tools like email or project management softwares, and how often they can expect updates from you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more valuable videos like this. See you in the next video.